Hey there everyone, JhN here, and in this video I'm sharing what they don't tell you about manifestation and how LOA, or Law of Attraction, really works. If you're new to my channel, thank you for checking out this video, and please be sure to subscribe, hit the notifications so you're on the up and up when I release new content. And I'm also releasing a little raffle kind of competition there where if you enter and you do subscribe, I may pull your name, and then I'm going to do a video just on what you want if you'd like. So whatever you want to know about manifestation, mindfulness, or meditation, I'm going to center in on that and make a whole video just for you. So thank you for subscribing. If you have any questions, be sure to ask in the comment section. So let's break down the truth about the law of attraction. So we have this dream life, this destination, if you will, ahead of ourselves, this future that we want and that we desire to be a certain way. So we're gonna say that that's like a GPS coordinates. Like if you're gonna go on a road trip, you're entering in an address in your GPS, and then you're just kind of trusting that. So we are going there. So we are the vessel. We're like the car that is driving our being to that destination, but we need directions. We need to know how to steer. So our thought, our spoken word, and our action is the steering wheel. We are headed a certain direction. Otherwise, we're just zigzagging around aimlessly. And then our emotion is the fuel that propels our vessel towards that destination. And especially that fuel being gratitude is like rocket fuel. It really propels us towards that destination quicker. So with our thoughts, our spoken word, and our action all laser focused towards that destination, we're holding that steering wheel really firmly, and then we're having that gratitude bubble up. We are propelling ourselves toward that future destination. So this is what they don't tell you about the law of attraction and manifestation, is that now that we're doing everything and we've incorporated all the practices, we have to surrender to what comes our way. And beyond that, if we're highly developed, we are going to embrace everything that comes our way. And beyond even that, we're going to be grateful for it. It's tricky stuff because we don't know when something is good or bad, and a lot of times when it doesn't fit our own little idea of what our destination and our route is getting to that destination, we fight it. We don't know why, but we just fight it, and we don't even have reason. But when we put a coordinates in a GPS and we're going on a long road trip, like a 2,000-mile road trip, and it says that we have to go this route and this, that, and the other, we just accept. We just surrender. We listen to the GPS. Why? Because it's linked to satellites, and those satellites have a higher perspective. They see stuff that we cannot. So we might be avoiding a bunch of traffic and have to go along this one road, and it may take us longer than originally planned to go on this secondary route, but we're saving ourselves 10 hours of traffic jams or a forest fire or a landslide. Who knows? But the GPS has that perspective. It's the same thing with the universe. We have to surrender to the fact that we don't have that higher perspective. And so this is the tricky part. When we are on that road trip and we're doing everything and everything's in play, there's gonna be things that come your way that you're just gonna fight and you're not gonna be happy with, and you're gonna be very upset. But you have to stop yourself in that moment and say, is this a vital component? Is this a vital part of my road trip? Like maybe this has some really deep meaning here, and I just don't know what it is. I can't see it from my perspective, but maybe if I continue forward a little bit, in hindsight, I'll be able to look back and understand that was a vital component in getting me to where I am. So when you are manifesting, you've got to just surrender to what comes along your road trip and enjoy the journey. Smell the air, let the wind go through your hair, wave your hands outside the car, take in all the scenes and the sights and the adventure with your friends and family, because you're doing it with them probably. And just surrender to trying to make the most of the journey and really accept that everything that comes across your way, everything along your journey is vital for you to arrive to where you want to arrive at, those GPS coordinates. And when you're enjoying the ride, and you're looking for opportunity, because again, the universe gives you opportunity to arrive at that destination, and it will pop up, and it may just be this little guttural feeling, this little sensation that sprinkles up in you, or something seems too coincidental to be a coincidence. You keeping your eyes peeled to this stuff helps you get to that destination quicker, because there's not just one route. There are many endless streams and different routes leading to that destination, but you're going to have to go on different paths because you're meant to learn certain stuff. But ultimately, you have to surrender to the fact that that's where you're going. And along the way to that destination, you're going to have fun, you're going to grow, you're going to be compassionate to yourself, and you're going to be compassionate to the journey, and just be grateful for whatever comes your way while keeping your eyes and your heart peeled for opportunity. So if you're meant to go on a detour, smile. If there's a longer road that's taking you the scenic route, be thankful for that. If you're picking up a new friend along the way and that's gonna set you back, embrace it, because there's reason for that stuff. It's really challenging to lean into this, to just kind of surrender and accept, because we want to control when we arrive and how we arrive and how long it takes, but that's not within our control. That's not how this works. So surrendering is going to keep you very happy and content and at peace while you manifest this dream existence. And you're going to start seeing that even though you're not typically right there, you're not really have had arrived at that exact coordinates, that you're finding fulfillment and purpose and peace and happiness and joy and pleasure along the way. So it's kind of like you are summiting, you are arriving at this new destination every single day as you make your way towards that ultimate destination. And that will always change, because you're going to want to grow and progress and change things in your life anyway. So when you surrender to your journey, you're finding fulfillment and purpose and peace and love every step of the way. And this is what they don't tell you about manifestation and law of attraction, that this is the hardest part. But your best co-pilot in your vessel is belief that you are worthy of arriving at that destination. And always check yourself. So when you're feeling stressed out or anxious or mad that you're not getting there quick enough and that things are happening and you're coming across these big obstacles, 2 steps forward, 1 step back, you tell yourself, I've already committed to the fact that I am worthy of arriving at that destination, and that is that. It's settled. So I am going to surrender to the journey. I'm going to accept what comes my way, and beyond that, I'm going to be grateful for every single moment of this journey, and I'm going to embrace it. And knowing that and having that as your co-pilot, your journey is going to be magical, sensational, and you are absolutely going to arrive at your destination feeling better, more fulfilled, more at peace, happier, joyous, and then you shall truly celebrate all that you have achieved and your success at arriving at your manifested coordinates. So there you have it. That's law of attraction in a nutshell. It is tough work, but why would you think it would be easy? Everything that we want in life is challenging and tough, but for good reason, because you are growing, you are evolving, and you're meant to come to that self-realization of knowing thyself and having that supreme self-love. And that's all part of the journey. And if you want to learn more about that and all the different steps of manifesting and how you can incorporate them in your every single day life, then check out this video right here. It'll be sure to guide you all the way home. Thank you guys for checking out this video, and we will see you next time. Have a good day.